complaint with this Toro push weed eater is it has low power. It starts up just fine. It has fresh gas in it. I don't think the engine's the issue. I think that the belt isn't getting tight to run this. It does work. If you pull back on the handle, this will start to spin. But when you tip it over with it shut off, and you check to see if that belt's loose. So we'll get you inside and we'll check the belt and we'll tighten it up. And hopefully that fixes their issue. But let's check the oil first. So oil, it's above the hash marks, which is fine. Now that we checked the oil, let's start it up. Starts up just fine. Sounds good. If you noticed when I held the handle back to engage the clutch, or the belt, that it hesitated. I don't think that's normal. I think it's because the belt's slipping and it finally catches. So. All right, so the clutch isn't engaged and we're gonna check if the belt should be loose, which it should. So right here, the belt's loose. All right, so let's engage the clutch and see what it looks like.
It's hard.
Yeah, it is a little hard, but I'll
Yes.
got it?
Yep.
And we can see the belt is still loose, so I think we just need to tighten the clutch up. Hey, let's tighten it up by the clutch lever. All right, so buddy, I'm going to show you how the belt is loose, and when I pull the clutch handle, it shouldn't be loose, but it's loose. Okay, so that's what spins. That belt spins that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Okay.
pull it.
I will. Okay, feel the belt and see how it's loose. See, it's loose. It flops up and down.
Yeah.
All right, let go of it. Move your fingers. Okay, feel it now. Is it still loose?
Yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't be loose.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tighten the belt up and hopefully.
Let go of it again. Hey, when it's pull it. Yeah, it's like it.
Yeah, it's still loose, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not. It never tightens up.
Mhm.
All right, move so I can flip this up.
Is this my sand? Is this Shan's?
No, it's Adrian's.
Oh.
Move.
I moved.
I know. I can flip this up.
Is that the brakes?
That is the clutch cable. All right, let's start this up and see if the clutch engages right away or if it's still delayed. I'm pretty. Definitely hear it engage a lot better, so I think we fixed the problem. Before you couldn't hear, you wouldn't feel it engage. But you definitely heard the engine bog down, and it worked that spindle a lot more than it was before. So I think this issue is fixed.